we're about ready to head into a job. We were told that a heater is not working, so we're gonna go check it out and see if we can figure out what's wrong and get it fixed. There we go. Thank you. Yep. All right, so this is our 2-pole 30 amp. So it's 2-pole because it pulls from both sides. This row is 120, or this is a different 120. This is the same one as the first one. So every other one, if I did that right, is the same. And then this one is the same as this. So that's why when you put 2 between them, you get 240. So we went ahead and turned off that breaker.
That's a little dirty in there.
Yeah, these are supposed to be cleaned once a year. People generally don't do it, but
Oh, I know. Yeah, I can definitely do it.
yeah, there's a video on how to do it on the Cadet website.
Okay.
The manufacturer. Basically, what you do to clean this is you take like an air blower, like basically you take a vacuum but have it blow rather than suck.
Right.
And you just blow it out.
We'll have one of those little cans of masked air.
That could probably work as well. So the goal is to blow it all out, and it'll blow from this side that way typically.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a whole lot on the stuff up here. It looks like most of it's on the bottom, and it almost looks like how it's sitting, there may have been a touch of moisture in there. We figured out the problem, and the problem is that the thermostat has to be turned up really high before it starts working. And the other issue is that sometimes it doesn't shut off, or it shuts off way before it gets the temperature. So basically, this little piece right here is the thermostat, which we cut a little short. This is a black wire and a red one. This is called a single pole thermostat, and they make double poles as well that have 4 wires, so we're gonna go replace it with the same thing. There's also a possibility that maybe something else is going on with the heater, but I don't think so. Heaters do have a function where if they get too hot themselves, they will shut themselves off, which I've had some heaters do. So we just got back from the parts house. We grabbed our on-unit thermostat, so let's go ahead and grab that. Let's take a look at what we got here. This small unboxing video. It's model CTT1W white. So all of these come with a new knob. So there it is. 2 wires here. We're going to go ahead and read the directions. Make sure we put it the same way.
We're taking care of that. So. She's getting
Crazy how many people have cancer these days. Seems like, it used to not be that common. Yeah, I don't want to think about it, but it sounds painful. I'm sure the doctors would rather be golfing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. It's life.
You deal with life as it comes.
Deal with life as it comes. Yeah.
He's a helicopter mechanic. So he's really good at what he does.
I almost went into the Air Force when I was 19.
I don't say you need anything because I'm 49. I'm almost 50.
Yeah, I decided when I was really young that I didn't want to drink alcohol or do drugs because I just saw people around me and I was like, I don't want their life. My first girlfriend, married her, my wife, so been married for 17 years now.
Congratulations.
Yeah, 3 kids, so I just
Hell, you gotta love that.
yeah, didn't want to rush anything, and
I don't blame you, man.
and I feel like things have turned out all right for me,
Literally, like saying that I'm gonna take all this time. like I said, I don't know about this place. I don't know what's what's covered, what's not.
Problem solved. We're good to go. So on to the next one.